Ah, love. That magical feeling that makes your heart race, your palms sweat, and your mind wander. But have you ever wondered what's actually happening in your brain when Cupid strikes? Well, grab a comfy spot because today we are diving into the science of love. And trust me, it's juicier than your favorite romantic comedy. So here's the tea. Falling in love is basically a chemical cocktail. Your brain releases a trio of feel-good chemicals: dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin. And these little guys, they're the real MVPs of love. Let's get into it. Dopamine, that's your reward chemical. It's why you feel so happy when you're around your crush. Oxytocin, the cuddle hormone, makes you feel all warm and connected. And serotonin, that's the reason you can't stop thinking about them, like ever. Love is literally a drug, your brain's version of a double shot espresso. Okay, let's talk about the physical side of love. You know, that racing heart, sweaty palms, and butterflies in your stomach? That's your brain flipping on your fight or flight mode. Yep, falling in love puts your body in a mild state of stress. Your adrenal glands pump out adrenaline and cortisol, making you feel both excited and nervous at the same time. It's like your body's saying, this person is important. Don't mess it up. Love isn't just a one-hit wonder. It has stages. First, there's infatuation. That, oh my gosh, I can't stop staring at them phase. This is dopamine central. Next is attachment. That's when oxytocin and vasopressin take the wheel, making you feel safe and bonded. And finally, long-term love. Your brain chills out a bit, but don't worry, it's still sprinkling you with happy chemicals, just at a slower, more sustainable pace. Think of it like moving from a fireworks show to a cozy campfire. Just as special, but less explosive. Want to know something wild? Scientists found that falling in love activates the same brain regions as eating chocolate or winning the lottery. Also, love literally blinds you. When you're in love, the brain areas responsible for critical thinking and judgment go offline. Translation? You might ignore their bed karaoke skills or obsession with pineapple on pizza. But hey, isn't that the beauty of love? So there you have it, the science behind why love feels so amazing, complicated, and downright magical. Whether you're crushing hard, happily partnered, or just vibing solo, remember this: love isn't just in the heart, it's all in the brain. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone you love, or someone you'd like to love you back. See you next time on Taboo Couch.